Hey guys, it's Monday, June the 17th. Hope everybody had a good weekend, ready for a good trading week. Should be starting sometime tonight or in the morning for the trend direction for the most of the remainder of the week. We'll get all the advertising out of the way. This is for trading education purposes only. Trade at your own risk. Do your own due diligence and research. You can lose money trading Forex currencies, and you can lose all your money trading Forex currencies, I should say. And don't follow anybody blindly, and that includes me. Now that we got that out of the way, we can go through the charts. The pound dollar has got a buy. As we can see, this is your stop. The arrows is not the stop. That low of that candle is your stop on the buy, which I am in, by the way. That's why I said this is the stop, because I got in on this candle, which was earlier this morning. Because it done what it's supposed to do, go up, try to run away, come back, give you the low risk trade, and here we go. So now that low of that candle is the stop. I've been able to take off half, which on the pound is 35 pips. And the second half is at break even, so I'm hoping it's not going to come all the way back. It's going to retrace some and then start higher. The Aussie dollar has got a buy as well, and the stop on it is this low, not the arrow lows now. It's this low. I'm not in this trade because I'm already in one tied to the dollar. So the Aussie dollar is a buy with the stop with that low if you want to take that. The pound CAD, it's got the same thing. It is a buy with the stop low of that candle. We're on yearly pivot, which is the now resistance, because we closed below it, come back above it, and closed above it, but now we're right back at it. But there is a buy that's in here at that. On the pound CAD, pound yen, I only take sales, so I got to wait for a sell setup. There is a buy setup. That would be your stop, the low of that candle right there, if you were in the buy. But I'm not in it because I'm only taking sales on the pound yen, New Zealand yen, CAD yen, Euro yen, and Aussie yen, and the dollar yen. Only taking sales on those. The Euro New Zealand, I talked about the buy in it. There it was. Being able to get into it excuse me, on Friday. And the stop is at the low, that candle right there, that little bitty one. It went out, took the high. That's the last swing low. That run right there after the high. So that's going to be the stop, and it's pretty close, but got half the position off. I'm expecting it not today, and could be tomorrow if it turns around, to fill in the gap up here, right up in here. It's got a ways to go, about 170, 180 from where it's trading at right now. So good ways to go on the Euro New Zealand. Could have a little bit of a retracement before it moves higher. We'll have to keep an eye out on it, but that's where I have my stop, is the low of that candle right there. After I've taken off half the position, which on the Euro New Zealand is also 35 pips. So we'll have to see what it does. If it stops me out, I'm expecting this to go up to here, so I'm still expecting a buy. May come down, stop me out, and then turn around. That's okay, because I'm willing to get in it long again. The pound New Zealand, let me squeeze that together. It's kind of gone sideways here since June 12th. Up, down, back up, and we could be coming back down a little bit again. Nothing to do on the pound New Zealand. New Zealand yen only taking sales, so for me there's nothing to do, even though there is a buy there. But it's ran away. It had to pull back for me, but I'm not taking any buys unless that thing just comes right down into there. Where it'd be such a low risk trade, I have to take it. But there's nothing to do on it right now. Euro Aussie, I talked about the buy in it. I'd done what it's supposed to do, and that was on Friday as well. The stop is right now, after it took out the high, is the low right there. The low of that candle is the stop after the buy. Half the position's been taken off, so it's either going to make, or it's making more money already, but it's going to make even more if it can crowd back up, go back. There's a gap to fill in up in here. Like I said, that might not happen tonight, and it might not even happen tomorrow. This could come back and retest it, and then we turn around. So, which would mean I would get stopped out on the Euro Aussie, but I'm still looking for a buy to fill in that gap. Euro CAD is in a buy. That's its opportunity right there. The low of this candle, not the arrows, this candle is your stop. Half the position's been taken off on it as well, on the Euro CAD long. I need this to push up, take out that high, then I can move the stop over here, but right now it's at break even plus a couple. Got the 3 pips on it, so it's not going to lose any money. The pound Aussie, there's nothing to do on it. I'm going to squeeze it. There's nothing to do on it. There was a buy right there, but I'm not in this buy. If it happens to pull back some more, I might be interested, but it's got to do that. If it just runs away, takes out that high, I'm not doing nothing on it. Just missed it. That's all there is to it. CAD yen, only looking for sales. It is up here where there's a potential sale. So we'll look for that, an opportunity, low risk trade. The stop is that arrows right there. Euro yen, nothing to do. It's made a buy, it's come up. There was your second opportunity to get in. I'm not in this, only looking for sale opportunities. So for me, nothing to do. Aussie yen, only looking for sales. It could push up into here, give me a sell opportunity. Low risk trades, got to be up there high enough though, and the setup has got to be there as well. So for me, nothing to do on the Aussie yen right now. I'm gonna squeeze it together so y'all can see it. There's the opportunities somewhere up in here to go short, possibly if the setup is there, but right now there's nothing to do. So that's everything. Let me squeeze the pound dollar in. It's got a start of a move there. Good. So we'll see what happens on these. I've already taken off half on most of them already. Matter of fact, I think all of them. Yes, all of them. So I'm just having to monitor my second half of the position, which one of them I got a feeling it might get stopped out, which was, no, it wasn't that one. This one, it could come down to there and stop me out. It's only 30 away, so hopefully it's not going to happen. That was the only one, I believe. No, here. That's the one I'm really worried about. It's that one. Because the stop's at the low of this candle. And it's 174.84 basically, and it's at 08. So it's only 24 away, and that could happen during Asia tonight, come down. So I'm hoping it's going to push up. because I'm expecting a gap fill up here. So like I said, I'm willing to get back in it long again if I do get stopped out. But we're taking off half the position on it, so I'm making money, and the second half is making money. I just wanted to make more money where it'll come up to here where I can get out, filling in that gap. So I'll have another video for you guys tomorrow. This has been recorded. It'll be posted in about 15 to 20 minutes. And if y'all have any questions or comments, feel free to go to the video. Underneath the video, there's a comment section, and that's where you would put in your question or comment, and I can get back to you pretty quickly. So we will see you guys tomorrow with another video, and please move your stops when you can, like you're supposed to. Take your profit when you can, but you don't have to follow me. I do a half. I've just done that. That's what I feel comfortable doing. You're welcome to do an eighth, a fourth, a third, 3/4, whatever makes you feel comfortable. Because it's about you doing the trading, you learning to trade, you getting comfortable in your trades. So I'll be back with another video tomorrow. I had a gentleman asked me a question over the weekend about my thumbnails, which I know what those are, but I really don't have any fancy picture or wording or anything that's going to jump out at you like everybody else on YouTube. But everybody else on YouTube wants you to go to subscribe, and that's it. They want you to get to do the like and the subscribe. I'm not about that. I'm about teaching, trading, you making money, being able to retire early, your wife retiring early if you're married. I'm not about all that other stuff. I don't care. I'm not trying to tease people into coming into my room. I want them to come in the room because they want to make money. That's it. Not about a thumbnail, how nice a thumbnail is. If you're really, really interested in making money, that's what you need to do. Everybody else in YouTube, I'm not like them. I don't want to try to push for subscribers. That's great if I get them, and I just want people who subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my YouTube channel because I'm helping them learn to be able to trade. That's it, plain and simple. I thought that's the way it was supposed to be, but it's not on YouTube. The majority of them just try to get you to, a lot of them don't want to even give out no trades unless, they get 100, 200 likes or, 1,000 subscribers or whatever. And that's not what it's supposed to be about. My time is valuable, just like their time is valuable. So I do get that part of it, but I wanted to be able to teach to trades, somebody to trade successfully. And hopefully I am doing that. And well, that's it for today. We'll see you guys tomorrow.